How's it going, everyone? This is the DWA4216. This is the Dewalt's Universal Multi-Tool Kit. We're going to go ahead and open it up. I'm going to show you all the blades inside as well as the carry case, and then we'll try one of the blades on our oscillating tool. Let's go ahead and unbox it. And there is our kit itself. So really nice little carry case that's included. It does have the little mechanisms that you can connect to different other Dewalt tools as well. So if you want to quick connect it, you can. Let's go ahead and pop it open though. It does have this nice little protected piece right here. So we'll take that off. And then we have access to all of our blades right here. So we have wood with nails, and a straight wood one. And then this one would be a straight wood one as well. So you can see these blades. They're very high quality blades. They do have just a really nice feel. So they feel really good quality. So we can see this one is specifically made for wood because it's a little bit bigger section between the blades themselves. And then these ones, which are wooden nails, they're a little bit more finer of the teeth on the actual blades themselves. And then this one is your little tool. So it's a little blade itself. So you can use this one to cut cardboard and stuff. Would be super handy to use. So really nice to have that extra blade as well. Let's go ahead and put our wood one itself though on our Dewalt multi-tool. Go ahead and close up that nice little case so we can lock it down just like that. I forgot to put the other plastic piece back on, but that's okay. We'll leave it for now. So here's our oscillating tool itself. What you want to do is grab this little piece right here. You can bend that back and then you can put the blade right in. So here is our blade right now. We'll go ahead and just push it in and there we go. So it's rock solid in there. And now when we grab our oscillating tool and all we do is just pull the trigger and we are good to cut something right there. There it is. You can go slow, you can go fast, but the piece itself will work perfect for cutting wood. I mean, do I really want to cut through my table right now? No, I do not, but it does work very well. So definitely have confidence in picking up this blade kit from Dewalt. You'll definitely find it handy for all of your oscillating tool needs. We'll go ahead and close it up, lock it up from the sides, and we are ready to store it away and bring it out when we need it.